Is this your car? Nice. Alright. So, Sherman. Yes. I wish I could fucking get down here. Somewhere around in there so bad. But getting down is one thing, and there's getting back up. A snow-filled hill and a snowbank, I don't think it's gonna happen. So, another day perhaps. Check out the view though. This is crazy different. Parking lot. I don't know, there was like a bell there before or some shit. Maybe a loading dock. What the fuck did they need a loading dock for? Elementary kids. Oh, the parts of the equipment's also. Look at this whole thing. This was not here last time I checked this out. This whole fucking shit. All the little kitties got a giant ass thing now. Ooh, some mud. What? Just giant. Oh no, crash, nice crash. Not anymore, bitches. I'm a horrible person. Look how big this fucker is now. It's huge. No dumping. Well, I'm not gonna dump. I'm just gonna, well, hopefully not. I don't want to dump my bike. I think I can do this. Last time I didn't, but fuck it. Yeah! Oh shit. Good thing I was passed down. Shit. Stop for a second here. Oh, that was funny. I didn't think I could do this last time. This time I just didn't even think about it. Just fuck it. God, I get snow in my shoes now. Yeah, sharing cubes now. Some pretty soon I'll be able to ride around down back here, hopefully. The snow goes away. Stop video.